Welcome to the channel, and we have good news for Univ. Look at that green candle. Univ is up over 118% in the last 24 hours. What has happened? We're going to get into that with an update on Univ.Money. Before we get any further though, remember nothing in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research and only invest what you are willing to lose. As we can see, Univ was sat at 0.0002712 and now we're at 5803, literally more than 100% increase, which is mad. But what caused this? What has happened? What is happening with Univ? If you didn't see my previous video, Univ is actually launching the update of 1.2.9. This is actually bringing a new token, Univ R, which is Univ Rewards. If they've obviously also changed their theme color. I will have a full detailed video once this update is out. And the previous update we had was the orb airdrop. This is already live. So if your planet was in the first 10,000 or 1,000, you'd get an airdrop. But what caused this pump? They put out an announcement in the Discord yesterday. As the price of AVAX gas has raised and Univ has reduced, we have raised the minimum swap to 400,000 Univ, which is roughly $11.50, and the removal of buy limitations. We're working on a swift resolution for the 1.2.9 update. Thank you, Univ team. And if we have a look at AVAX news, top 15 gains in the last 24 hours, Univ 111%. It's off the chart. So yeah, really good news for Univ. To be honest, I haven't really been compounding or looking at anything since the price has literally been downward action for the longest of times. But finally, we're getting a little bit of increase. Again, Univ is still down a lot. However, in the past 24 hours, it's up 111%. So my planet, I have a tier 3 Neptune with 159,000. Again, I haven't compounded in a while. I'm sat at 41,000 pending Univ. So this, I believe, might push me over the 200,000 locked Univ for my planet. So we're going to compound this now. Of course, my planet is just an NFT. I'm just going to sit here and keep compounding this planet until eventually, I guess, I probably sell the NFT. I don't know. But yeah, I'm in Univ for the long run. We've been here for a while. Again, I didn't really invest too much at the start, so it doesn't matter too. Yeah, we can see 200,000 Univ now, which is $11.50. But yeah, just really good price action. If we look at their Twitter, they haven't really tweeted too much. This is from Kativerse. She's the owner of Univ. Bit of maths, initial supply 42 billion, current supply 147 billion, which is plus 238%. Assuming everyone compounded and market price moves up 110%, the 100% move is actually 321% for them. Because of course the compounding, 371% is the medium and may differ from compounding interval, how much the supply when you created the planet. As why some are at break even if bought at much higher thanks to compounding. So I am still down on Univ. I believe my initial investment was around 40-ish, maybe $40 to $50. So I'm down still quite a lot, but I want to say I probably bought the peak of the launch hype, which was a mistake, but I just wanted to jump in again. I didn't jump in with much. It was just to try out the project. So I'm still currently down. Let me know what you guys are. But what's your plan with Univ? Again, this is still paying me passive income though. I'm earning 4,900 Univ per day, which is a lovely 28 cents, but I don't have to do any work, I guess. Well, to be honest, from the investment, I'm still down, but we'll see what happens with Univ. I'm here for the long run. I'm compounding. Eventually, I'll get enough Univ to sell it, or I don't really know. But with the new update, going to the 1.3 update, Univ R, if we take a look, this was tweeted quite a while ago. Yeah, here we can see this was the update. It was a big old post. I've done a previous video on this if you guys wanted to check it out. But basically the 1.3 update, Centaurus A, the color of Univ logo is changing. There's going to be Univ R tokens, which will be the rewards instead of getting paid in Univ. There'll be a 25% reflection. Univ R will be the play to earn currency. Only way to create Univ R is through planets. So basically there's going to be another token, Univ R, which fingers crossed will have some better price than the standard Univ token, but we're up in the past 24 hours, so you can't really complain too much with that. But we'll have a full video when Univ 1.3 comes out. Again, updates have been pretty slow, but the devs are still hard at work, I do believe. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy, and I'll see you guys on my next video.